Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y may daladalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako. Yo, listen close to me, yo, I got a story to tell. I get it on my best friend, that's life fell for real. Someone's going down when we was heaven. God made the grace amazing for living. How did you feel again? How'd you catch your meal? Be the hot you living. Hit your chillin', have a rub up the out of ground. The way to put it down in life is around like land performing. Remove patient, everyone happy gonna make it and make it. Just ain't happy, something. That's why we're vibing back to my homeland. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y may daladalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi